Hey everyone, and welcome to Marine Biology. I'm Mr. Avila, and I'm excited to dive into the wonders of the ocean with you this year. This course, Marine Biology, is all about exploring the incredible diversity of life in our oceans, from the smallest plankton to the largest whale. And we'll be covering topics in semester one like our Intro to Marine Bio, learning oceans and seas, some ocean chemistry, and don't worry, it's not a full-blown chem class, just enough chemistry so you understand how our oceans work. We'll be taking a look at ocean ecology, algae, and plankton. Semester two is totally dedicated to life in our oceans, where we're looking at sponges, cnidarians, mollusks, annelids, arthropods, echinoderms, and chordates. Now, all of that may sound weird to you right now, but I promise by the end of the year, it'll make a lot of sense. To be successful in this class, there are a few required materials that you'll need to bring with you every day. First up is a college-ruled composition notebook with about 70 to 100 pages. Just make sure it's college-ruled. Next up, a box of colored pencils, about 12 for diagrams and projects. Third, a 2-pocket portfolio to keep all your papers organized, a highlighter pen, and then you might want to include things like loose leaf binder paper. Just make sure that it's college-ruled. Here are some of the learning resources we'll be using this year. Canvas will be where I post assignments and you check grades. Quizlet is an online app for digital flashcards that is really helpful. Remind is just a way for us to communicate with one another that's a little bit faster than email. And finally, Discord. If you're not sure what Discord is, I'll explain that once we start the course. Now, here's a graded policy, and we run on a weighted grading scale, which means that the tests and quizzes will account for 55% of your grade, labs and project will account for 20% of your grade, assignments and participation 15% of your grade, and notebook and portfolio checks at 10% of your grade. And over to the right, you can see how letter grades break down by total percent. We'll also cover specific classroom expectations in detail, but for now, just remember, come to class on time and always do your best on assignments. Respect yourself, others, and equipment, and ask for help when needed. If you just follow our Marine Bio Success Plan, you'll do great in the course. Now, I'm looking forward to having a fantastic year with all of you. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me via Canvas or Remind. I'll see you in room H6.